Hey everyone, it is me again. Not too long ago, did some travel to Toronto, posted some videos about what I found, my train trip to coming back from Toronto to London through business class. Checked out bathroom in Toronto, in Sneaky D's, great graffiti by the way. Also Bearsky Park, that water fountain is sweet, really nice to see at night. So I'm going back to doing a couple snack videos. I picked up more wrap snacks. I trying to remember if they were at one of the two places I normally get this stuff, but this is the first one. I've already posted a video in my community page of YouTube, so I am doing another wrap snacks video. So there's this one. The other one I'll do later. It is wrap snacks Durkio Flames Hot Crunchables. Yeah. Not too long ago I did the hot fries from Durkio, but gonna check this out. So as far as material goes, Durkio's Flames Hot Crunchables is a flavor unleashed. This bag is loaded with a bold rush of heat that brings new energy to snacking, made from real corn. So these are corn, in case you wonder. This bag is flavor overload. So promises to have some good flavor. As usual, on the back of these things, some words of wisdom. When you fall back, you have to know let me say this again. When you fall back, you have to know your worth and keep a strong mind in order to have major comeback. People will try to count you out, but remember who you are and family over everything. Only the family involved. Lil Durk. So, yeah, dude's all about family there. So, Vroy Nuski, OTF. All right, so as you can see, I'm gonna give this a whirl. Pop it open. Got a very vinegar heavy, at least to me. If this smells like vinegar, by all means, let me know. So grab a couple. So yeah, as you can see in my hand. So gonna give a couple of these a whirl. Okay, all right, this has got some good heat to it. Yeah, definitely dig this. It's not bad, but yeah. I've done a lot of wrap snack videos, but I think this is like the actual one I found with some really good heat. I like this. Oh yeah. Probably need a cool drink to cool you down if you eat the whole bag, which I probably will. I have some water, so. It smelled like vinegar when I opened this, so that was just my take. Overall, I have to say, yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay. I like the rest of this in a bit, so. Yeah, for a corn Crunchable, whatever the hell these are. This has some serious heat. I need some water. Oh, yeah, so on a heat scale, out of 10, I'd have to give it at least a good 7. Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty decent. I will probably get another one of these like down the road, much later, but nothing for me to go over. Get this a second time around, third time around, 17th time around, but I'll definitely get this, keep this in my rotation. But yeah, that has some good heat to it. As far as scent goes, the moment I opened it, it did smell like vinegar to me. And I wasn't sure if I was going to be tasting vinegar. But yeah, overall, after smelling it over and over again, it's kind of subtle, but good taste, good flavor, good heat, good snack food. So yeah, that's kind of about it for this review. So have you tried Lil Durkios from Rap Snacks? Yeah, no, maybe. Are there any other snack foods you want me to look into as far as these goes? Yeah, so what's your thoughts on it? But yeah, that's kind of about it. That's kind of my thoughts, my review on it. Yeah, and if you like what you see with these videos, please leave a like, comment, and also give me a follow. I'm trying to grow this channel, hoping to do something with it. Just to, I don't know, take it from snack reviews to maybe something bigger, and also travel as well. So outside of that, yeah, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, and watch me on the next video as I do another review of Rap Snacks. So have a good one.